Indigo on Wednesday said that it has airlifted 2,717 oxygen concentrators from Thailand, China, Qatar, Hong Kong, and Singapore to India amid the second wave of COVID 19 in the country. The airline further said that it has transported 1,425 oxygen concentrators domestically between 36 airports. A massive load of other medical supplies have also been flown, it added. Spice Money has launched a dedicated assistance initiative to help India's rural population register for COVID-19 vaccine through its Spice Money Adhikari network covering 95% of the rural PIN codes. The company will also help spread awareness to its banking correspondent partners about priority vaccination available to them, while dispelling myths about vaccine in the smaller communities. Cred announces winner of Bitcoin Mega Jackpot. Cred, the credit card bill payment app, has revealed the winner of Bitcoin Mega Jackpot hosted on the app for members. Saloni from Jaipur, who is the product manager with Citibank, was declared as the lucky winner for the first Mega Jackpot. She entered the jackpot by paying her credit card bills on Cred. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday reviewed the state-wise and district-wise COVID-19 situation amid an unprecedented rise in the cases. PM was informed about the 12 states which has more than 1 lakh active COVID-19 cases. He was also apprised about the districts with high disease burden. The need to ensure quick and holistic containment measures were also discussed. During the meeting, Prime Minister spoke about the need to sensitize states that the speed of vaccination doesn't come down. Citizens should be facilitated for vaccination despite lockdowns and healthcare. Workers involved in the vaccination must not be diverted for other duties, PM Modi said. World's highest ever daily corona cases recorded in India. As many as 4,12,262 new coronavirus cases were reported, the highest ever one-day rise for any country since the pandemic began. Further, 3,980 deaths due to coronavirus were reported in India in the last 24 hours, the country's biggest one-day jump since the pandemic began. With this, the death toll due to the coronavirus in country has risen to 2,30,168. India discontinues Rajdhani, Shatabdi and Duronto Express trains from May 9th. India on Thursday recorded maximum fresh cases in a day with 4,12,262 new cases and 3,980 deaths in the last 24 hours, the Health Ministry said. This was the second time that the tally breached the 4 lakh mark. This is why the trains were discontinued from May 9th. Several companies in India have been offering extra holidays to employees to de-stress amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Godrej Properties sends its employees on a leave from May 5th to 10th, saying that it's taking a pause to heal. PwC and Deloitte India created a holiday pool that employees can use to avail leaves. Meanwhile, food delivery platform Swiggy transitioned to a 4-day work week. The susceptible, undetected, tested and removed mathematical model for tracking the trajectory of COVID-19 infection has predicted that Telangana will peak around May 12, reaching a daily case mark of around 9,000 to 9,500 cases. As per the model, the state will start seeing a flattening of the curve from around June 21st, while the peak will continue from around May 12 to May 20. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Thursday returned to Pragati Bhavan 20 days after tested positive for COVID-19. The CM, who was found to be infected after taking part in the public meeting on April 14, had gone into his farmhouse in Erravalli where he underwent treatment. The CM isolated himself on doctor's advice. Andhra Pradesh reported 22,204 new COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, taking the cumulative case load to 12,06,232. This is the second day in a row that the state has recorded over 20,000 daily cases. The toll increased to 8,374 as 85 more people succumbed to the pandemic. This is the highest single day death count in the last 8 months since the state recorded 88 deaths on August 30 last year. The very infection strains of coronavirus B1.617 and B1 are currently found in the COVID-19 positive in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Telangana and spreading fast in the younger age groups apart from the adults. Mask up, wash your hands and sanitize them regularly. If outdoors, maintain social distancing. If possible, stay at home. Together, we can make this happen.